What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. As you're watching this, I am currently at the beach. Cut to those clips real quick. So right now I am making a video to post while I'm at the beach. I'm only there for a couple days, but I've been posting every other day, so that means I need to have a video for you guys. So today we're going to be doing some highway pull stuff on the KLX, and we're going to ride to part of the city that I haven't been to in a while, mess around there. There's kind of some grass areas over there and just some fun obstacles. But before we hit the highway, we're gonna get the bike warmed up a bit, and then we'll get on the highway a little bit further down. And hopefully there won't be traffic, so I can ring the KLX out a bit and see what it's got up top with the new fuel settings and the 13 tooth. With all that being said, I hope you guys are having a great day today. If not, I hope this video can cheer you up a bit or inspire you to go out and have some fun. It's a nice sunny day here in Oregon. It's supposed to be nice for like the next week or so, so should be good weather for a Halloween ride and such. Last video I noticed a little bit of hesitation in the KLX after I did some fuel adjustments. I think one of the hiccups had to do with too much fuel in the acceleration range, because it was kind of consistent on getting on the throttle. But I think another reason might have been is that I might have added too much fuel to the tank when I filled up. It wasn't into the filler neck, but it was close, so that could have been a reason why I hesitated. But right now everything's feeling good. No bogging. And it pulls hard. Kind of like a turbo. Hits hard in the mid-range, and then it just continues to pull. We'll see how it does though when we get on the highway. Definitely makes it really fun in the city though. Alright guys, we gotta get in front of this Hyundai. You think we can take him? I think so. Too easy. Gets right up to the speed limit. Alright, hopefully I don't miss my turn here. Alright, got my turn. Alright, we are almost to the highway here, where we will get to see how the good old KLX does. Yep, here we go. Not too bad, huh? And go this way. Let's go back down. Not too bad, hit about 90 there. Definitely have a strong headwind right now. Not too bad. Topped out at, I'm not sure, 90 something, maybe 91 or 90. Like I said, we kind of have a strong headwind, but KLX was still doing 85, 90. Didn't seem to break up or anything, so that's a good sign. Now we're gonna head to the other side of the city real quick, see if we can't get into some fun stuff, some obstacles, shenanigans. Once I get into the city here and stop and go, I'll be able to feel if the KLX is running a bit warm or if it's cool. So overall, I think the KLX did really well on the highway for my needs. Definitely has a little bit more power up top than the 14 tooth and the stock EJK settings. That's expected. I got a few more miles per hour. Like I said, it's pretty windy today, and I think there might be a little bit more room, but I'm not really concerned about top speed, you know, above 90 or so. If I can hit 90, that's fine. Not many times I need to go above 90. Got a nice Harley here. Nice bike there. Yeah, you guys probably can't hear the wind because my mic is placed in my helmet where the wind doesn't really hit it, but it's definitely windy. Probably should have added an extra layer for the highway stuff, but now that I'm in the city, the sun is keeping me warm, moving at slower speeds. Highway pulls, I mean the KLX satisfies my throttle itch. Of course, if I want to go faster, I'd probably hop in a car, because I could definitely see how I could get into some trouble going above 90 to 100 on a motorcycle. But I think the EJK settings are pretty close to dialed in. It seems that there's kind of a hiccup somewhere, but that happened once when I pulled out of my neighborhood, and it hasn't happened since. And it also seems to happen on upshifts, so not really sure what that's about, but like I said, it's not doing it now. So maybe when it's running cold at first, kind of hesitates a bit because catching a lot of cold air and needs some time to warm up. But I'll continue to monitor it, and if it becomes a consistent problem, probably make some adjustments to the EJK. I'm sure everybody thinks I'm an absolute moron getting on and off the throttle, but in actuality I'm just testing out my fuel settings. Might be a little throttle happy, but nah, let's go with testing fuel settings. That's it. So far my right leg isn't feeling too warm, so seems that the KLX is running cool. My fan isn't on. I've only had that come on a couple of times though. It came on yesterday because I was letting the bike idle, kind of revving it up a bit. I guess it only has come on a couple of times. Alright, let's go check out this athletic club real quick. Oh wow. Looks like some people around here got some good decorations. Much easier to float the front wheel up. Getting better at that. Yeah, come on, let's use your eyes now. Got a little bit of gravel here. Ah, yes, an overpass. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, sick RS5. I bet they're on a test drive because this is the road that my dad and I test drove in S6 before. I think we tried to use launch control back there. Oh, this is the Audi dealer. Might as well go look at some Porsches and stuff while we're here. Oh wait, I think there is an Audi R8 for sale over here. Whoa, 308. Audi R8. V10. Very cool car. Same motor as the Lamborghini Huracan. They claim it has different horsepower, but pretty much the same motor. Now there's a Cayman GT4 over here, I think. Now that would be a cool track car. Those things also sounded pretty insane, even with the stock exhaust, but with a modified exhaust, aftermarket, they really scream. I forget what the red line is. If I remember correctly, the red line isn't super crazy on them, but they sound good. Well, I Why, hello there, Sheriff's Office. Don't mind me here on my little motorcycle, my little 250. Ah, so windy. Sick bike. Alright guys, that is probably going to do it for today's video. We got a lot of good things done today. We got some highway pulls, got a little bit of wheelie practice. Hopefully you guys can see the progression on that. I know I can feel it. And we also hit up an old spot for some fun. So I don't know if I'm going to have any footage from the beach. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll have some biking footage or some a weird little moto vlog type thing on a bicycle. But if you liked today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share this video to your friends and those who may enjoy it. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button. We're almost a quarter of the way to 1,000. So thank you guys so much for the support, continuing to watch the videos. It's fun making the videos for you guys. It's also very fun, and I'm glad that you guys enjoy them. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.